Hi girls, today we are going to see the concept of data transfer instructions in Intel 8085 microprocessor. In my previous classes, I explained you about what are called instructions and what are the types of instructions. There are 5 types of instructions: data transfer, logical and I/O operations, arithmetic and logical operations, like that. The first concept in instructions of 8085 is data transfer instruction. The first type, what do you mean by instruction is instructions or a command given to a microprocessor. It perform a specific task according to the instruction given by the people. Okay, so the first type of instruction is data transfer. Transfer means we move a data from one place to another place is called transfer. So like that, here the data is transferred from one place to another place. Here in the microprocessor, the places means registers, memory, or memory. Okay, so the data are transferred between one register or memory. Okay, these instructions move data between registers or between memory and registers. These instructions copy data from source to destination. Okay, data transfer instructions copy data from the source to destination, but the content of the source is not changed. It was still remain the same value after copy to the destination. Okay, while copying, the content of the source are not modified in data transfer instructions. So what are all the instructions of data transfer instructions available in Intel 8085 are shown in this picture. The first one is move, second move immediate, and then load, and then LDX, load accumulator indirect, and then load register pair, and then load HL register direct. Okay, these are the some of the data transfer instructions in Intel 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so I show this list of data transfer instructions here. The first one is move immediate or comma data, and then move immediate m comma data, move LXI, load immediate, store, load, store HL pair, load HL pair, and then STAX, store address, load address, and exchange. Okay, these are the data transfer group of instructions available in Intel 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so here the first instruction, data transfer means the data was transferred to memory to register, or register to memory, or register to register. Okay, so here in this picture I shown you data transfer instructions. The data transferred from one register to another register. Okay, here in this instruction you can see this is the opcode, sorry, this is the instruction move, move. These two are all the register. Okay, the heading here is the content transferred from one register to another register. Okay, so here the instruction is move. Move means it transfers the data from source to destination. Here the source and destination both are registered only. Okay, here A is also a register, B is also a register. You all knew that in microprocessor 8085 have 6 general purpose register plus 1 accumulator. Okay, B, C, D, E, H, L and 1 accumulator. So this A is called the accumulator. Okay, so B is the one of the general purpose register. Here this is the source, this is the destination. The direction I shown you that the content of the source is moved to the content of the destination. Here the source register is B, the destination register is A. For example, if the register B has the value 10, that value 10 is copied to or moved to A. A also have the value 10. At the same time, B also have the value 10. The source does not change the value. Okay. Next, another example of register to register data transfer instruction is exchange. This instruction is used to exchange the information to one pair of register to another pair of register. Okay, exchange means from one pair of register it transfer to the another pair of register. Here the data transfer involved between two sides. Here you can see the direction. I use this arrow, double sided arrow means the HL value going to D value. Like that the D value is moved to HL pair. Okay, like that the data are transferred between the two sides, source and destination simultaneously exchanges the value between each other is called the exchange. Okay. The last one example in register to register data transfer instruction is move B, C. This is also one of the example. In the first example, I used the accumulator, but in the third example, I mentioned both general purpose register B and C. Okay. The content of the register C is transferred to or moved to the content of the register B. The both or the registers B and C. Okay, here the source is C, destination is B. I show the arrow from C, it transferred to the value B, but the content C also remain the same. For example, the value C is stored in, the value 20 is stored in the register C. 20, the value is moved to the register B, as well as it also remains in the register C. So, in the register B also have the value 20 and the register B also have the value 20. Okay, this is the data transfer instruction, the data transferred from register to register. Okay. The next type of transferring data is register to memory. Here the content of the register is moved to any memory location of the microprocessor. Okay. In the first example, I mentioned the instruction move. I use the instruction move. Move is used to transfer data from one place to another place. But here what is given is, this one is register, this one is the memory. Okay. The content of the information is moved to register to memory. Here this is the B register, this is the memory location of the microprocessor. It may be any of the memory location, any of the address of microprocessor. Okay, here in this example, the register B has the value 12. The 12 is moved to the particular memory location of the microprocessor 4001. Okay, okay girls. The second instruction is STA. This is a store accumulator. This means the content of the accumulator is moved to the particular memory location of the microprocessor. Okay, here I shown the direction from the accumulator. It moves to the memory locations. The content of the accumulator is stored to the memory address mentioned in that example. Here the example is 1001 is the address accumulator. For example, if accumulator have the value 20, the value 20 is moved to the memory location 1001. Okay. The third example is SHLD. This is the, if you want to store a 16-bit data, we use HL pair, D pair like that. Okay. So that instruction is store HL data to a particular address. The L will be have the address of the first one. H will be have the address of the second one. Higher order bit, this is lower order bit. Okay. The third data transfer instructions, data transfer between memory to register. The previous one I shown you is register to memory. This one is memory to register. Okay. Here this is the reverse of that concept, like that's it. This is the instruction move. Here this is the memory location. This is the register. So the content of the memory location is moved to the register. In this example, the content of the register is moved to the memory location, but here the content of the memory location is moved to the register. Any particular, any register it may be. Here this is the example. Memory location may be any HL pair is moved to the register R. Okay. Here in this example, I use a memory location 1105H. From that memory location, microprocessor memory location, what the content in the 1005 is moved to the register B. Okay. So this is one type of data transfer instruction. And then the load, LDA. Okay. This means the address of the content stored at the memory location is moved to the accumulator. Here I use this arrow from this address, memory address or memory location. What the content or loaded on the address is moved to the accumulator. Here in this example, address what you mention, it may be any memory location. On that memory location, what you store your data is moved to the accumulator. Okay. Here in this example, I use the memory location 2034H. Okay. Content stored at memory location 2034H or copied to the accumulator A. Okay. Clear girls? And then another type is data to memory. Okay. Here the direct data is moved to memory or register. The data is directly moved to the memory or register. That instructions are called move immediate instructions in Addressing modes, you are also seen that move immediate a comma 10. Immediate addressing mode is called this. Data to memory. Here the move immediate m comma data is the syntax. Here the data is moved to the memory location mentioned by the HL pair. Here the data is directly given. Here we didn't use any registers. The input data is directly moved to the particular memory location 1005. This is the memory location. This is the register. Register means this is accumulator. The value 10 is directly moved to the accumulator A here. Okay, this is called the move immediate. This is one of the type of immediate addressing mode. The value is directly moved to the register. Here the value is directly, the data is directly moved to the memory location 1005. Like that, this is an instruction load. LXI RP comma data. Okay. So this is the register pair is loaded with the data directly. Load the register pair with an immediate value. Here you can see LXI H20304. Here higher order bit 20, the value in the 20 loaded into the higher order bit. The 34 is loaded to the L register. And the last one is IO data transfer. IO data transfer means data is moved from input port to the microprocessor, is called input port address. Like that, from the microprocessor kit, the data is go out to the output port is called the out port address. Okay. Here the instruction is in and out. In means the value at the port is loaded to the A register. Like that, out means the value in the A is sent out to the output port. Okay, these are all the instructions, some of the instructions I shown you in these examples. So this is called the data transfer instructions. The data is transferred from memory to memory, memory to register, register to memory, data to register, data to memory. Like that, we have this. Okay, in this picture also you can see move is an instruction. Here what is the explanation of the move is copy from source to destination. Okay, wherever the instruction move occurs, that means copy from source to destination. And then move immediate. Move immediate means move immediate data to the memory location or register. Okay, this is the load accumulator. LDAX, load accumulator. Indirect means by means of memory address we can move the value to the accumulator. This is LXI, load register pair immediate. This is also immediately the value is given. It was transferred to the HL pair or any pair you given in the examples. Okay girls, I will explain you the next type of instructions in my next class. So all of you, I hope that you all understand this. Thank you girls.